Good everybody. Windscreen wipers. They sort of tend to do what the name suggests. I find they come in really handy for doing things like wiping the windscreen, keeping things clean so you can see where you're driving. Make life a hell of a lot easier when driving down the street, so you don't run into things like street signs and shit, and crash into trees. So you probably know recently there was a Model 3 driver in Germany who lost control of his vehicle, hit a sign, hit some trees while adjusting the wipers in his vehicle. Of course he blamed the car, not his own lack of driving ability on a wet road, failing to see where he's going, that sort of thing. It's brought a bit of criticism on Tesla about the centre console screen controlling the wipers. Whoever thought to record on a day when it's windy, 10 degrees and raining was a good idea for a YouTube video? That'd be an idiot like me. So anyway, the Model 3, unlike other cars, has more than one method of controlling the windscreen wipers. Yes, it actually has 3, unlike most cars it has 2. Let's get a bit cold, let's get inside and see how these things work. So let's have a look at the most common method of controlling the wipers in your Tesla Model 3. Through the touch screen, the one that makes it hard to drive in the rain. Normally the screen looks like this, so you got your wiper button right there. It's always on the screen, front and centre, right in front of your face. Normally I set it to this mode, automatic. In which case the wipers look after themselves, I don't have to do anything. No problem, I can drive the car, the wipers don't bother me at all. Now, in some cases though, some people complain that the wipers do weird things. Now don't forget that the wipers on the Model 3 actually clear the screen for the autopilot cameras as well. So it might not be acting to make it easier for you to drive, it's also acting to make sure it sees the clearest it possibly can using those autopilot 3 cameras right up here on the windscreen. So keep that in mind when the wipers do strange things like go from slow to fast and slow again for no real apparent reason. It's one thing to bear in mind. So yeah, that's the most common method. Okay, the second method, which I use quite a lot actually, is no different than most other cars on the road. You use the Stalk. Little button right in the end, just like this. See, the screen is not too bad, you can still see, but if you want a quick clear up, just press this little button here, and there you go. That's what you have to do. If you want water on the windscreen, press and hold, and the vehicle will clean the windscreen for you. Simple as that. That's it. So you don't need to take guys off the road. Nothing too difficult. It's right in the end of the Stalk right there. Now the third method, which I use quite regularly, is the voice control method. As you know, you just push the button on here to get voice control. Windscreen wipers to normal. And there you go. Wipers to intermediate. Windscreen wipers to full. There you go, simple as that. Windscreen wipers off. Done. Easy. Windscreen wipers to 1. So you have it. It's actually quite easy with the voice control, as long as you use those keywords, windscreen wipers. If you don't say windscreen wipers, it might do other things like reduce your fan speed and stuff like that, a bit weird. Change the screen brightness, you never know. So yeah, windscreen wipers to off, windscreen wipers to auto, windscreen wipers to 1, 2 or 3, all work fine. Windscreen wipers to full, no problem at all. Here we go. Windscreen wipers to auto. Done. So easy, so simple. So there it is. Easy peasy, as easy as that. No need to drive your car into a forest or into a road sign. No need to blame the car for your lack of driving ability or in the rain. It really is that simple. So don't believe all the hype and the stories you see in the media about Tesla wipers are dangerous and because it's activated through the screen, it causes all these dramas. It doesn't. It really doesn't, as I've just shown you. So yeah, you've got this far. Thank you for watching and enjoy the sacrifices I made standing out in the rain in a 10-degree day while it's windy. So thank you once again. Take care. Bye. Who thought filming in the rain in a fucking 10-degree day was a good idea? Service mode. That's it. That's the key. Why are you down? What the fuck are you doing?